Members can be individuals who register on an Umbraco website, or they can be created by an administrator from the Umbraco backoffice to manage and interact with a specific content on the website. Shortly defined, they are used for registering and authenticating external users in an Umbraco installation on the front end. My name is Alina, and I will walk you through the process of adding members from the backoffice of Umbraco. For this guide, all you need to have is an Umbraco project, preferable on the latest version of Umbraco. So here I have an empty installation of Umbraco. So in order to create a member, we will need to go to the member section. You can perform various tasks and actions related to members, allowing you to manage and customize their experience on your website. Let's take a look at them. So here we can see that we have a members folder and the members group. The member is the default member type that can be used to create members. You can customize this to fit your needs or create your own member type from scratch. The All Members option usually provides an overview of all the member accounts on your Umbraco website. The Member Groups defines roles for your members that can be used for role-based protection. A member can be in multiple groups. So let's see how we can create a member. If you go to Member, or if you right-click on the folder of Members, we will get the option to Create, and here we can create a member. Once we do that, we will need to add a name. Let's say Alina member. We can add a comment, and this will be a message that they will receive on their mail with invitation. So let's say welcome to Umbraco. Then we can go to the member tab, and here we will need to add a login and an email. I will just say alina@umbraco.com, and I will use the same for the email, and then I will add in a password that I can log in with. I can also add a member group, however, I have not added a member group, therefore it shows empty. If you do not see these options, then this is because you do not have the sensitive user group on your user. This can be changed if you go to users. And for example, as you can see, I have the sensitive data. If I'm going to remove it, save, and I go back to the member that I have just created, then I can see warning that this value is hidden and you will need to have access to view this value. By having this sensitive group added to your user, you will also have the option to mark the member type's properties as sensitive. If you go to the Info tab, here you can see general information. When was the member created, last edited, what type of member type it is, and ID. You also have the option to delete the user. Let's see how we can create a member group. We can click on the member group, create. Here we can add the name. Let's say member group. And the only thing that we can do here is to delete it. However, let's go to our member and add this member group. Let's add one more member and call it John Doe. We will add a nice message as well. Welcome to Umbraco. Then we will need to add a login and email. And a password. And save. So now if I go to all members, now I can see the 2 members that I have created. The members are sorted automatically alphabetically. However, you can change this by clicking on the name. You can also sort by username, email, and last edited. You also have the option to view the list of the members in a grid. If you wish to see the information of the user or change some informations, then you can click on the name and there you will have all the information. You can now create members from the back office of Umbraco. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos on this channel.